Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a second YouTube channel with the same account. Step 1. Sign in to your YouTube account. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on the Create a New Channel button. Step 4. Create a new name for your channel. Make sure you check the box to finish the step. Step 5. Switch to your new channel by clicking on Switch Account in the drop-down menu. Step 6. Customize and set up your channel. Click on Your Channel in the left-hand menu to start adding a profile picture and banner. Step 7. Start creating content. Now that your new channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. Make sure to add a link to your new channel in your video descriptions and promote it on social media to grow your audience. And there you have it. That's how you create a second YouTube channel. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.